Hi everybody, it's Ala. Welcome to my kitchen. Welcome to my crib, as we say. I am currently in Spain, España. Hola. I forgot how to speak Spanish for a moment. As you know, I've been moving around. I've been living in different places all over the world, and I'm still trying to figure out where I want to sort of settle down and base. And now I found my dream partner, and now we are searching together. So we have traveled to Europe. If you haven't seen that video yet, check it out. I've explained different countries that we visited, and I didn't probably go into all the details, but out of all the countries that we visited, we preferred Croatia and Spain. So in Spain, we're staying here for quite a while. We're staying here for a whole month, and we've literally already explored so many areas. We're staying in Malaga right now. But we realized that Malaga is not really our vibe because it's like a city vibe, and we want more of a, space. We want the garden, we want the sea views, we want the mountains, the nature. I swear I'm getting old. But we want to still be close to the beach and to the sea. So we went all the way to one side to drive around, found a couple of towns, and went to the other side towards Marbella, where I originally thought I wanted to live, but we realized Marbella is quite not for us either. So we want to be somewhere in the middle, maybe, which we're going to go and explore houses and apartments to buy and to live. So this is all very, very exciting, guys. So I'm potentially moving to Spain, not just yet, not right now, but I think next year. First, we want to figure it out if we actually really like it here and live around here and see how do we feel here. But so far the climate has been incredible. I'm not even joking, the weather here is so good. It's end of October right now, and it's at night it's plus 20, and during the day it's plus 24, but it just feels great. I'm not cold. You can see I'm just wearing a tiny top, tiny skirt, nothing here that's super warm, and I'm not cold. I'm not freezing. I was freezing in London, I was freezing in Belgium, I was freezing in Paris, jumpers, hats, everything. Here it's just incredible. The air is really good, I think, so especially if you're in a mountain. So I'm actually very, very excited. We are moving from this place to another Airbnb, I think in few days, and we're gonna live right up in the mountain. Oh my gosh, it's gonna be amazing, right in the mountain, and with a sea view and a terrace, and it's gonna be incredible. So we're both kind of on the same page. We're exploring. We want to, we're thinking about our future where, we want to live in a house. It's time to kind of move somewhere where it's safe, where it's still good weather, it's close to the beach. And there's just many benefits. Plus, I love Spanish food. One issue at the moment is that my boyfriend cannot live in EU for longer than 90 days. And I cannot live in America for more than 90 days because of our nationalities, right? So we were both laughing about this. He said it's not going to be a problem in the future, obviously. Wink, wink. But the point is, it's just it's so funny to me that, we're both trying to find a place to live and we can't live in each other's kind of areas. So we're going to go back to Mexico probably to live there for the winter and then come back here again in summer and really explore and potentially buy a place here, which I am very, very excited. I don't know about you guys. If any of you own your own home or flat or house, that feeling. There's nothing better than that feeling of feeling that safety, security, that you're home, you've got everything. Because I've got my stuff all over the world. I have my stuff in Mexico, I have my stuff in America, I have my stuff in Latvia, I have my stuff in London. So that's 4 countries. So I'm I want to have it all in one place. And I want to have a dog. I want to get another dog. As you know, I had a Frenchie for 7 years. He unfortunately died, obviously, many years ago now. But I really want my doggie. We're going to take my boyfriend's doggie as well. So we're going to have 2 doggies. And I can't wait for that dreamy house that I want. And really just be in a center hub. If I'm in Spain here, I'm very close to on the international flights. If I want to go to Thailand, if I want to go to Mexico, if I want to go to Latvia, and if I want to go to USA. So really it's just incredible, for me. If you do live in Spain, I just realized, please let me know. Please let me know in the comments below what it's like, which area do you live in, because the more information I have, the better it is. And guys, of course, the big news is the fact that I'm doing a free webinar on the 10th of November. So you must come. It's going to be about this new trendy stuffed cookies, and they are incredible, okay? They are so ooey and gooey. They're crispy outside. They're super gooey, and like the filling just like oozes out. And honestly, you have to learn how to make them. Even if you don't, please come to the webinar and just watch me eat one. And I'll show you what it's like when you cut it, when you warm it up, how oozy and gooey it is. I'll answer all the questions. We'll talk about the ingredients, about the tools, about the trend, and how you can actually even make money by selling these cookies, because there's several bakers on Instagram right now, and I'm not even joking to you, they are selling like 100 cookies a day, like all over the country, because these cookies can be shipped. These cookies are great for the holiday season, and honestly, like, I don't see a reason why not. Like, if you especially love cookies but you're bored with the old variety, I mean, it is a bit boring, let's be honest, like the old cookies that we all know, but these are still the flavors that we love, but just in a much different design and presentation, and just it's so appetizing. It is so mouth-watering. You cannot stop watching these videos. You cannot stop eating these cookies. They're so good. And one thing that I try to do, I try to reduce the sugar by a lot, because these cookies are very sweet, especially the commercial ones or commercial recipes or international chefs, they do. So my goal is to make them not as sweet, but still super delicious, and still chocolatey and gooey and just perfect. You will find out about all the flavors when you come to my webinar, and I've created 8 cookies that literally will blow your socks off. Like 8 delicious cookies. I will give you 2 flavors just, you know, to keep you on excitement toe. One of them is chocolate hazelnut Ferrero Rocher, which is like insanely good, like And another one that was like really requested was the pistachio crunch. So it's like pistachio oozing out. Pistachios are trendy right now, so you're gonna love these. So the course will have 8 cookies and then 2 surprise cookies, which I will only reveal to those who come to the course. But I will talk about it more at the webinar, and you get a chance to ask me live any questions. And I'm not doing this course anymore this year or even next year. This is really just a trend right now. I was like, let's jump on a trend. Let's use it, because not only I'm telling you about this, the whole world is obsessed with these cookies right now. And it's just like, you cannot miss it. And if you haven't heard about it, that's good, because you're going to become the most trendy person in your town or city, okay? Because you're going to make these cookies and you're going to blow everybody's socks off. They're going to be incredibly amazed and impressed with all your ideas that you've come up, but you don't have to tell them that, you know, they're from me. A lot of my students, you know, we have this deal between us that, you know, you make the cakes, you know, if somebody asks you, you can tell them where you've learned them. But for the rest of the people, just shush, just be like, these are my amazing recipes. I'm not sharing them. So yeah, guys, hopefully I'll see you at the webinar. It's very easy to register. Just put your name and email down and you will get a Zoom link. I think we're going to do it on a Zoom. If we have more than a certain amount of people, I think Zoom doesn't let you in. So make sure you register, make sure you get to the webinar. And if you can't do this time, there will be a replay, hopefully, if then nothing goes wrong with technology. As you know, we live in this world, things go wrong all the time with technology. But let's hope that, fingers crossed, that it's not going to happen. But yeah, on this note, I want to thank you so much for watching the videos, and hopefully I'll see you at the webinar very soon. And you get to see the stuffed gooey cookies in real life, real action, where I'm going to cut it and you can see how much filling is in there and how I'm going to enjoy it. Okay guys, see you soon. Bye.